Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Audi key fob. So we're going to start by pressing this button on this side, and that's going to open up our key fob here, and then there's this tab that you're going to squeeze. Let me get a better shot. Okay, so on the other side you can see there's this black tab here. You can just press that tab in, and then this should slide out with the battery tray. There we go, and there's our battery. So now we're going to go ahead and remove this battery. It looks like it's a CR2032, and that is the size we have. So I've got my replacement batteries here. Now when we put this battery in, it does have two sides. We want to make sure we put the side with the plus sign, the positive side, is going to go down. So we're going to go ahead and pop that back in. Slide this into the remote for the key fob the same way it came in. Press it until it clicks, and that is it. The battery has been changed. Reassemble our key fob, and there we go. Now we have a working key fob again. Hope that helped you guys out. Hit a like if it did. Thanks. Have a good day.